Hello everyone, I am back with episode 7, Scratch and Save Bibleverses using the Budget School Savings Challenge Optional Bundle Set. First, I would like to point out that we carry simply easy instructions as well as a school supply list that has been provided. Welcome to the Heavenly Realms classroom. First, I will read the scripture in the first column to determine what my answer choice will be. And it reads, "A true balance is abomination to the Lord, but a just weight is his delight." Next, I will move over to the second column and decided to pick if the scripture was true or false by writing it down. I decided to pick false. Once I pick my answer in the second column, I will move over to the third column and scratch off to see if my answer matches with what the scripture says. Next, I will grab my Bible and go to Proverbs chapter 11 verses 1 to help me determine if my answer was true. And it reads, "A false balance is abomination to the Lord, but a just weight is his delight." This means my answer was correct, and now I can move over to the last two columns to determine how much I will be budgeting for this savings challenge. Next, I will grab the $5 that I budget for and place it inside the classroom investment wallet. I finally completed the savings challenge with a total of $62, you guys. And that is simply it, you guys. Comment this emoji if you enjoyed our amazing new savings challenge game. Visit our shop by clicking the link in the bio or comment section to receive yours today with free shipping when your orders are $35 and up.